In many areas, compliance with limit values for temperature and humidity is mandatory. If these values are exceeded or undershot, problems will arise. But how can you be sure that your values are in the rule-compliant range, around the clock? With the Testo Saveris 2 radio data logger system, you're on the safe side. In the event of limit value violations, you are immediately alerted via email or SMS. This allows you to intervene quickly in the event of malfunctions and prevents more serious damage. This way, you always have critical processes under control, no matter where you are. Find out more about Testo Saveris 2 at specialist dealers or directly from Testo.